Well, hello, this is Bountiful Roots. I'm coming to you from my restroom, and this is just a quick tip I wanted to show you all. I'm about to install this filter onto my shower head. That's what this round part is right here. That's a water filter. It filters out chlorine, all kind of mineral deposits and things that are bad for your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. It's bad for your skin and your hair. So I'm about to replace it with the new one. You can get these from any of your local big box hardware stores. Okay, so they require no tools. You might need a tool if you decide to do this at your house, your apartment, your trailer. You know, if you live on a in a trailer somewhere, and you think you have hard water, especially down here in the south, we have hard water. So if you have any hard water like that, then yeah, you can absolutely put this in. You change these every 6 months. So you have this knob right here that you can, I won't do it since I'm talking. Anyway, you can put it on here and set it for whatever month. I set it for the month I need to change it because I'm not going to remember when I first put it on. So with this being January, I'm going to set this for July. Let's see here. December, November, October. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm squinting. I'm over loosening the whole thing up. Okay. I just skipped over July. Okay, there we go. All right. So I don't know if you can see that right there, but right here, it's got July in it. Okay. So I put that right there, set it for July. And so you might need a tool if this is your first time ever doing it. You have to get some pliers so you can take the shower head off. But me, just because I've been doing this for a while, then I don't need a shower head. I can just unscrew it. So once you unscrew it, take your shower head off. You can look in there to look for any deposits or any minerals. Especially when you're first doing it, you can look for any of that, clean those out. And while you're doing this, for those of y'all that are sticklers when it comes to shower heads like I am, you know, if you want to put you a new shower head on, and you can do that. One that sprays water, sprays it with 4 or 5 different patterns, maybe 6 or 7. I think that one does about 6 of them. Anyway, it's a gasket I don't need. So anyway, yeah, that's off. So I'm taking the new one. I'm gonna screw it on. And when I bought this one, I saw that now they offer refills. So that's what I'll be doing the next time. I'll get a refill for it. These cost about $15. The refill is a little bit less than that. You know, I don't know if it'd be worth it, but we'll see how much it costs the next time. But yeah, you can just put a refill on if you like. So anyway, I'm finished putting this on. I've already put thread tape on there, which is that white tape. So because mine is still good and it's still on there. Maybe I'll go ahead and put some on while I'm talking. Okay, so I'm gonna put some thread tape on there. Now this is optional. You see, I have some on here from the last time I did this, but yeah, this is optional. I'm gonna do it just for the sticklers. But it will still work and it will not leak either way. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some thread tape on. So make sure when you put thread tape on, you turn it onto the threads the same direction that you will screw the shower head on. That way it will not take it off, which I think I just did it backward. I did. Okay. All right, take 2. So now I'm putting it on the same way that the threads would be screwed on. So that way it will tighten the tape onto the threads and not peel it off. And please also make sure that when you're doing this, that the tape is not covering the hole, so that, number one, it won't slow the water down, the water pressure down coming through the water head. And also you don't want that tape to get into the head itself, because then you have to take it off and clean all that stuff out. So when you do it, put the tape on if you decide to, and just make sure that it's not covering the hole at all. Because like I say, you don't want that to get into your shower head. Okay, so now I got thread tape on, putting the head back on. All right. There you go. Yeah, hold on a second. Okay, so because I was recording this, I didn't need a tool, okay? So it was leaking between the shower head and the filter. So yeah, I didn't need a tool this time. You know, stuff happens, but generally I don't need to tighten it up. Maybe it's designed to be used without the thread tape, and maybe that's where the problem came in. But anyway, it's on there. No leaks. So that's it right there. So now you have a quick solution to having a nicer skin, having a softer hair, smooth skin. Like I said, without all the minerals and all that buildup that'll get on your skin that comes through there. That it winds up all over your shower. And that's another thing. It'll make your shower easier to clean. Also, maybe that's another bonus for you. If you didn't have to worry about your hair or your skin, it'll make the shower easier to clean because it won't have all that buildup on there. All you have is soap in there, but you won't have all the minerals that you really got to scrub off or use any kind of D-liner or anything. All right, so that's it. Bountiful Roots. You know, I'm trying to do whatever I can to help you to with your health solutions. So this is one of those things that I do. Anyway, Bountiful Roots out.